Hello everyone, this is Kartikeya. Welcome to my channel Rimcart. Today let us learn about car and its engine. A car or an automobile is a wheel motor vehicle used for transportation. Most definitions of cars say that they run primarily on roads, seat 1 to 8 people, have 4 wheels, and mainly transport people rather than goods. Cars came into global use during the 20th century and developed economics depend on them. The year 1886 is regarded as the birth year of the modern car when German inventor Carl Benz patented his Benz patent motor wagon. Cars became widely available in the early 20th century. One of the first cars accessible to the masses was the 1908 Model T, an American car manufactured by the Ford Motor Company. Cars were rapidly adopted in the US, where they replaced animal drawn carriages and carts, but took much longer to be accepted in Western Europe and other parts of the world. A engine or motor is a machine designed to convert one form of energy into mechanical energy. Heat engines convert heat into work via various thermodynamic processes. The internal combustion engine is perhaps the most common example of a heat engine, and it is also used in automobiles, in which heat from the combustion of a fuel causes rapid pressurization of the gaseous combustion products in the combustion chamber, causing them to expand and drive a piston, which turns a crankshaft. Electric motors convert electrical energy into mechanical motion. As of 2013, there were a wide range of propulsion systems available or potentially available for automobiles and other vehicles. Options included internal combustion engines fueled by petrol, diesel, propane, or natural gas, hybrid vehicles, plug in hybrids, fuel cell vehicles fueled by hydrogen, and all other electric cars. Fueled vehicles seem to have the advantage due to the limited range and high cost of batteries. Some options require construction of a network of fueling or charging stations. With no compelling advantage for any particular option, car makers pursued parallel development tracks using a variety of options. Reducing the weight of vehicles was one strategy being employed. An alternative fuel vehicle is a motor vehicle that runs on alternative fuel and energy other than traditional petroleum fuels like petrol or diesel fuel, and also refers to any technology of powering an engine that does not involve solely petroleum. Example electric car, hybrid electric vehicles, and solar powered vehicles. Because of a combination of factors such as environmental concerns, high oil prices, and the potential for peak oil, development of cleaner alternative fuels and advanced power systems for vehicles has become a high priority for many governments and vehicle manufacturers around the world. An internal combustion engine (ICE) is a heat engine in which the combustion of a fuel occurs with an oxidizer, usually air, in a combustion chamber that is an integral part of the working fluid flow circuit. In an internal combustion engine, the expansion of the high temperature and high pressure gases produced by combustion applies direct force to some component of the engine. The force is applied typically to pistons, turbine blades, a rotor, or a nozzle. This force moves the component over a distance, transforming chemical energy into useful work. This replaced the external combustion engine for applications where weight or size of the engine is important. The first commercially successful internal combustion engine was created by Etienne Lenoir around 1860 and was the first modern internal combustion engine was created in 1876 by Nicolas Otto. The term internal combustion engine usually refers to an engine in which combustion is intermittent, such as the more familiar four-stroke and two-stroke piston engines, along with variants such as the 6-stroke piston engine and Wankel rotary engine. A second class of internal combustion engines use continuous combustions, gas turbines, jet engines, and most rocket engines, each of which are internal combustion engines on the same principle as previously described. Firearms are also used as a form of internal combustion engine, though they are a type so specialized that they are commonly treated as a separate category. ICEs are usually powered by energy dense fuels such as gasoline or diesel fuel or liquids derived from fossil fuels. While there are many stationary applications, most IEs are used in mobile applications and are dominant power supply for vehicles such as cars, aircraft, and boats. In contrast, in external combustion engines, such as steam or Stirling engines, energy is delivered to a working fluid not consisting of or mixed with or contaminated by combustion products. Working fluids for external combustion engines include air, hot water, pressurized water, or even liquid sodium heated in a boiler. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. Meet you in the next video.